Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Let's dive into today's video because we're going to be focusing on just one chart and you only need one chart. So we're going to break this down into the most important things and to focus on what's gonna lie ahead for altcoin market cap. This is the only chart we're going to be focusing on. And before we dive in, I just posted an altcoin TA session on 10 different altcoins requested by valued members, subscribers of the Rekt Capital newsletter. It's out now, so check it out in the link in the description down below. Feel free to subscribe for $6.99 a month. It's a bargain of a deal. So the altcoin market cap in 2014 rejected 1,000. Over 1,000 days later, we saw a pullback, consolidation at the lows, and then a recovery. It took over 1,000 days to break past these 2014 highs, and we saw a multi-month ranging period over here as we saw altcoin market cap try to reclaim this old resistance as a new support. That took a while, but once we successfully retested this, we saw a gain of 20,000, 27,000% over the course of a year, just over a year, until we rejected from the 2017 highs. And of course, after the 2017 highs, we saw the same thing happen again. Over 1,000 days of pulling back, ranging, and then recovery, and now we're at a point where we're breaking past the 2017 highs, just like we were doing right over here. And the question is, will we see a retest attempt? Because at the moment, altcoin market cap is 18% up already. There is no top at this point because altcoin market cap is now discovering its top. And there's tremendous symmetry in this chart. Number one, rejection from the old highs, which needs to be claimed as a support. So we saw that rejection, and now we might be seeing a retest of support. That's the first symmetry. The second symmetry is that it took over 1,000 days to revisit the old resistance to turn it into a new support. And we're having that symmetry once again. Right? Old resistance turning into new support within a over 1,000 day period. And the third symmetry that we can't really talk about at this time in too much detail because we simply don't know what's going to happen. But in just over a year, once we successfully retest this support area, we're going to see appreciation in altcoin market cap over the course of the next year. Which means that altcoin market cap might peak in March 2022. That's quite interesting to me because we tend to see altcoins rally much longer than Bitcoin. So once Bitcoin actually peaks in its cycle, we tend to see a lag in terms of altcoins. Altcoins try to follow Bitcoin and they keep on going towards the upside, whereas actually Bitcoin has started its bear market. So if you're familiar with the 4-year cycle that I've been talking about on the channel here, Bitcoin is set to top out this year, later this year, according to the 4-year cycle. And then early next year, we're going to see a lower high form for Bitcoin. So if that indeed does turn out to be the case, then altcoin market cap over here will continue to rally with Bitcoin in early 2022. But as altcoins make new highs in their altcoin market cap, Bitcoin is going to make a lower high to confirm the bear market. That's one of the scenarios that I see happening should history repeat itself if we indeed see altcoin market cap continue to rally towards the upside over the course of the next year. But what this also means is that we're not going to really see a long retest attempt like we saw in the past, because this retest attempt took it was a multi-month retest attempt. It took several months to actually retest before springboarding into that phenomenal rally. So it's quite likely that if the next year is going to be somehow correlated to the 4-year cycle of Bitcoin, then altcoin market cap really needs to start taking off for that synchronicity to be maintained. So we might not see a retest attempt. We might see it, but it would be very short. And in fact, at the moment, we're not seeing that retest attempt. So if we actually forego that retest attempt, it would be really bullish, because in the past we had to form a range for quite a while to gain that bullish sentiment towards altcoins. But if we actually forego a multi-month process, a pulling back process this time around, where there won't be a pullback, there won't be that range that needs to attract altcoin buyers, then that just shows to us that we don't need any of those sentiment building, buy pressure building activities from the buyers, because that's already there, right? Because if we don't see those things, that means that there is enough interest in altcoins to propel altcoin market cap towards the upside. So those are some of the things I'm going to be watching for that are quite interesting to me. Lots of symmetry here in the altcoin market cap cycle. Really exciting times ahead. If we see a dip, then we can't forget that altcoin market cap has broken past its 2017 highs after 1,000 days, over 1,000 days of recovery. We can't forget about the macro picture if indeed we see some short-term volatility in altcoin price action, because this truly is the beginning of a new macro trend for altcoin market cap, and I can't wait to share this journey with you guys on YouTube as we approach 7,000 subscribers as of today. Having said that, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Please consider dropping a like and of course subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. I'm Rekt Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak soon.